XOWER3 for chicken water. What is this? Have you seen the weird and ridiculous wallet address on blockchain? Suppose you could choose the address of your wallet yourself. For example, your name, Rose, or your name and your last name, Rosenick, or whatever you want. Isn't it interesting?
Wow!
This is Near Protocol platform, where you can choose your address name by yourself. Like always, I recommend to check this project on messari.io, where you can find any information about any project on crypto market, search about Near Protocol and read about its basic goals, investors, roadmap, and TVL. Now I show you how we can create Near wallet, how to transfer Near tokens to this wallet, and at the end of the video I'll show you how to connect your Near wallet to Ledger to make it more secure. Now let's get started. Hey guys, I'm Armita. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like it, please like the video and write me a comment and give your opinion. In CoinMarketCap, come to Near Protocol wallets. These are the wallets that is possible to hold Near tokens there. As you can see, it is possible to save on metamask too. Actually, there are multiple ways to hold Near tokens, which I'm gonna show you 3 different ways in this video that you can choose the one that suits you more. Open the website chainlist.org and search Near. The name of mainnet is Aurora and the chain ID is this one. So just connect to your metamask wallet and click on connect wallet and add this network Aurora mainnet to your metamask. Then you can add and hold Near tokens in Binance Smart Chain network. If you have MetaMask and you added Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask, you can do this easily. I've held some Near tokens in Binance Smart Chain and I'm going to show you. It is here. This is Near tokens in Binance Smart Chain mainnet, and if you do not have this in your wallet, it is just need to click on this icon, add to MetaMask, and it would add Near to your MetaMask wallet in Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And the third way is to save your tokens in Near wallet, the specific wallet that is possible to have in a Near website. Okay, this is the address wallet.near.org. If you want to access this address safely, just come to CoinMarketCap and click on near.org. This is the link of the website in Near Protocol section, and near.org. Come down and click on wallet. Okay, the benefit of this wallet is that you can store and stake your Near token safely here. So I click on create account and you should choose your ID. This is amazing. I, for example, choose a name that I want. For example, Sarah Nick. Suppose this is my name. And sarahnick.near, this is the ID that is used for sending and receiving assets. This is my address. It is really attractive. This ID is completely free, so choose your ID and click on reserve my account ID. Then you should select a way to secure your account. You can use passphrases and you can even connect your Ledger hardware. If you use passphrases, it gives you the key phrases like any other wallet. And if you click on Ledger hardware wallet, I click on continue. It is supported on Ledger Nano S and X. Come to Ledger Live in Manager, App Catalog, and search for Near. This is the Near app and install it on your Ledger. It has installed now. Now come to Near website, and the way to secure, use Ledger hardware and click on continue. Open the app Near on your Ledger. It shows non-OS detect and click on continue. Then it shows a public key on your Ledger. Approve it. Then you should verify your account. You can do that by your email or SMS to your phone number. I choose email. You can choose the way that you want to deposit. I click on manual and click on continue. Okay, this is the address that I can copy this and send Near tokens that I've bought to this address. The minimum should be 0.1 Near. So I copy the address. I have bought some Near in KuCoin. I go and click on withdraw. I paste the address here. I choose the network Near. Okay, this is just a test, so I choose a little bit more than the minimum amount and I click on confirm. I wait for the transaction. I've entered the verification code sent to my email, and after that you see that my account is active. I've received the minimum amount for depositing and activating, and it alarms that this address that I've sent this amount of Near tokens to it was just for single use, and after that I should use the new address. I click agree and I click claim my account. Okay, I should confirm the operation on my Ledger. I open a Near app, okay, and wait for confirmation. Okay, congratulations, your account has been successfully created. This is my ID. I click continue. Okay, the balance is about $2 and the amount that is in my balance, I had about 0.2 Near, but now it is about 0.14. In next video, I'm gonna show you how to stake Near tokens, how to get more information about validators, and what are the best ones to stake your tokens there. Please give me more energy with your likes and comments. See you!